Hey, this is Rama from Creation Landscape Designs or Friendly Landscapes. So I thought I'd give you an update of the kind of sad state of my current patio and what it currently looks like, because it is going to be redone. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability around California. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I'm also a residential landscape designer, so if you do need landscape design services, I'll have a link to my business website in the description of the video. So this is what it currently looks like. This is the gate when you enter through these steps. It's been raining here in Southern California, so I've neglected to clean it. And it essentially looks like shit. There's dead plants, somewhat dead plants, in these planters. There used to be a Pacific wax myrtle in here which died. And so yeah, this is kind of what it looks like. It will shift and change, and then what I'm going to do right now on this Friday kind of late afternoon is clean it and then show you what it looks like after that, because it needs a bloody good clean. Okay, here's what the patio looks like after I cleaned it. It got kind of dark, so I thought I'd wait till the morning, but then in the morning it rained. So here I had this side table that I put over here because underneath here is all the utilities for mine and the upstairs neighbor water shut off. And I'm going to get a better hose that retracts more slimly. This is the inactive worm bin that I've placed here for now. This is how I've temporarily placed the furniture, and I like the layout. But what I want to do is replace this square table with something round just to add a different shape and whatnot. For the most part, the arrangement will stay like this. Not quite sure I like this pot here, but we'll see where I end up putting it. I might just put it here. We'll see. But I do like this table and chair arrangement here. And I have to figure out what to do with this dahlia, because this woolly pocket, which I love, is meant to either be screwed in or zip tied to a wall or railing. But I can't screw it into here because that's against HOA rules. And technically, these greenbow railing planters are not supposed to be up here because, again, against HOA rules. So we'll see what I do. And then I've got these pots here temporarily, and eventually I'll figure out these gargoyles and accessories. And there's Milo. He's so cute. Oh. So this is what it currently looks like. I needed also to leave enough access here because that gate, when it opens, it just opens all the way out. So this is the current, at the very least, semi-organized, clean patio. And I'm going to be redoing it and collaborating with some brands to get it redone. So stay tuned!